Други въпроси?
Sophia, do you like hip hop?
I'm not sure, is she still on?
Sophia, do you listen to hip hop? Да повторя?
Can you say it louder?
Sophia, do you like hip hop?
Don't you think? I would love to be able to dance to hip hop someday.
I have a question for the creators of the Sophia, and my question is...
It's not here, David is not here. He had to leave because he had an urgent meeting with Angela Merkel.
But maybe somebody else know, did they implement hard-coded the free laws of robotics by Isaac Asimov in Sophia?
Well, I can promise you we can just send this question to David, and if he's kind enough, he will answer. Last question, please, because I promise that I'm not going to take...
I want to ask what you think, Sophia, for this people can kill animals for meat, or this must be banned? This is vegan question. This is future.
A vegan question.
Vegan activist.
It's a vegan TV.
Vegan activist, yeah. Do you think that animals like cows, pigs, sheep have consciousness?
They're conscious.
Conscious, yes.
Oh my gosh.
For slaughtering. What do you think?
Is
Is this cruelty? Slaughter animals
I'm
for...
hesitant to give an opinion. I know humans need food, and meat can be a good source of protein, but I also know that many animals live in suffering, especially in the agricultural sectors. My vote is for lab-grown synth meat.
Lab-grown synthetic
Thank
meat.
you so much. Thank you so much.
That's your answer.
What you say?
Lab-grown synthetic meat
Yes.
as the alternative.
Yes.
Enjoy it.
I'm happy.
Thank you so much.
Now my friends will say